Moving on, we're also getting some breaking updates coming in from West Bengal. ED Director Rahul Navin is now all set to travel to West Bengal tomorrow. The top boss of the ED will meet officers of West Bengal. Remember, this is coming in the aftermath of the showdown that has happened between ED officers and West Bengal police around those raids on I-Pac offices and the residence of the co-founder of I-Pac. And this will be the first such trip that the ED director will be making to West Bengal since then. What we're also learning is that there could be a meeting with West Bengal governor that may also happen. So, big development coming in as far as the ED director's visit to West Bengal is concerned. He's likely to visit West Bengal tomorrow, coming in the aftermath of the I-Pac raids fiasco. In that, of course, there hasn't been any relief granted to either the TMC government or the police under it. The FIRs that were filed against ED officers in Bengal were also asked to be stayed by the court. And there have been serious questions asked of the conduct of both the CMO and the police as far as the alleged intervention during the raids is concerned. A major flashpoint between the central agency and the West Bengal government, and not the first time that something like this has happened. What more could be in line as far as this visit is concerned? We are being told that a meeting with West Bengal officers is on the line. And there could also be a meeting with West Bengal governor. ED, of course, has not held back as far as the courts are concerned in alleging complete breakdown of law and order and the official machinery in West Bengal when it comes to their work. Anshul Singh is joining us with more on this. Anshul, what more are you learning about this visit?
Well, yes, this is a very crucial visit that will be done by the top boss of the Enforcement Directorate. This visit is scheduled to start tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, the meetings with the officers of West Bengal unit of the Enforcement Directorate will happen. It is also likely that a meeting with the West Bengal governor could also happen. Remember the manner in which the incidents unfolded when those searches were conducted in the residence and office of Pratik Jain, the chairperson of I-Pac and that company, and post that. We saw that how ED was actually not allowed to do its work, and the Supreme Court also came down heavily on this entire matter and gave a setback to the Mamata Banerjee government, where it very clearly stated that if it could happen in West Bengal, where the law and order could just go out of hand and government officials could not do their job that they are tasked to, it could happen with the Supreme Court as well. It would set a wrong example for other states as well. Now, this meeting that will happen between the Enforcement Directorate officers of the West Bengal unit and the ED Director Rahul Navin, this is going to be very, very crucial, because this could actually set the tone for the next hearing that is scheduled to take place in the first week of February. That is the 3rd of February, when the West Bengal government will have to come out with its reply as to what were the reasons because of which they actually decided to go ahead and stop the Enforcement Directorate officers. But yes, this is the first visit of the Enforcement Directorate director to West Bengal after the incidents that happened regarding the raids on I-Pac. Remember, before this, the ED Directorate had visited West Bengal when the ED officers were attacked in the Sheikh Shah Jahan case in Sandesh Khali. So yes, Bengal has been a flashpoint between the Enforcement Directorate and the government over there. Now this visit that will come, it remains to be seen what will eventually come out, but it is very, very likely that there will be a meeting that could happen with the West Bengal governor, in which he would be appraised of the exact situation and how the local police and the DGP of West Bengal as well actually tried to intervene and stop the Enforcement Directorate officers from carrying out their jobs. And in fact, the FIR that was registered, although that FIR has been stayed at this point in time by the Supreme Court of India. But yes, discussions regarding that could also happen, because this could actually set the record straight as to what is the job at hand of the Enforcement Directorate and how a state government could or could not intervene with the job that is being done by the Enforcement Directorate.
All right, Anshul, thanks a lot for bringing us more on that update.